This model kit review is of the Heinkel 280, and this is a 1/48 scale model by Eduard, so I'm expecting a very good quality model here. And don't see any other pictures there. They're the dimensions of the model. So let's have a look over here. We have our canopy, which is actually nicely molded, and also includes some masks that will come off for painting. Looks like that part's been taken off already. Let's have a look at our sprues. We have a weight here, which has already been molded, probably out of lead. It is soft. Let's have a look at these sprues. So these are all very well molded. Very crisp, very clean, it's smooth. We have our engine parts for the jets. Here are the engine covers. Not a tremendous amount of detail there, really was expecting more. That'll probably be further down inside the bay. All recessed lines. Let's have a look at our wings. Also all recessed lines. I don't see any rivet lines though. Wheels have got some detail. And those are our wheel wells. Not a lot of detail there. Here's our cockpits. Pretty part of the seat here. Here's our instrument panel. The tails, stabilizer. Here's our fuselage. Do have some rivet lines here, not very many. Some additional parts here, it looks like, for the engines. We have some parts for the cockpit here, nicely molded. And it looks like some additional parts for the inside of the cockpit. Let's have a look at our instructions here, the decals. We have some decals, not a lot of detail on that decal sheet there. It shows you the paints needed, parts that are attached and included. Here's our cockpit that's built. And the wings are put together. Those are put together inside the put together on the fuselage. Once the fuselage is assembled, as well as the tail, the weight is put in, and then the engine pods are glued together, and then our landing gear and wheel well covers, canopy, and additional parts. Here's our painting and decal guide. So, all in all, looks like some fair amount of detail. There are no photo etched parts that come with this model, but still reasonable level of detail.